Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to talk about this absolutely stunning Bandej chiffon saree that I recently got my hand on. It's the perfect mix of traditions and modern with its vibrant color and delicate embroidery. What I love most about this saree is how lightweight and comfortable it is to wear. The chiffon material draped beautifully over the body and making it easy to move around in and perfect for any occasion. The intricate embroidery work on the saree is truly breathtaking. It's add a touch of elegance and sophistication, making it the perfect choice for wedding parties or any special event. One thing I appreciate about this saree its versatility, and you can style it in many different ways depending on the occasions. Pair it with some statement jewelry and bold lip for a glamorous look, or keep it simple and minimal accessories for a more understanding vibes. Overall, I highly recommend this beautiful chiffon saree to anyone looking for a stunning and versatile piece to add to their wardrobe. It's definitely a must-have for any fashion-forward woman out there. Guys, if you want to purchase this saree, then the link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye. Take care. Thank you for watching my video.